Welcome to the ANDYCINE T6 monitor feature introduction series. In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the powerful marker features designed to help you achieve more precise composition and control in your shoots. First, let's explore the grids feature. The T6 monitor offers 8 different grid modes, allowing you to choose the perfect layout for any scene, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or architecture. You can also customize the number of rows and columns in the grid, giving you the flexibility to adjust the density to your liking. To further suit your shooting style, you have the option to select the line color, ensuring that the grid is clearly visible against any background. Next, we have the safe frames feature. Keeping your subject within the safe area is crucial when shooting videos or films. The T6 monitor's safe frames feature provides 7 different modes, ensuring you can monitor the position of your subject no matter what aspect ratio you're using. Like the grids, safe frames also offers 6 color options, allowing you to choose the best color to make the frame boundaries stand out against any background. Then there's the center marker feature. In complex scenes, pinpointing the center of your frame can be challenging. The T6 monitor's center marker feature makes this task simple. With 6 color options, you can choose the most suitable color for your center marker, ensuring it's clearly visible in any frame, helping you achieve a more balanced composition. Finally, let's talk about the ratio marker feature. Whether you're shooting widescreen films, traditional TV shows, or social media content, selecting the correct aspect ratio is essential. The T6 monitor offers 8 different aspect ratio modes to meet your needs across various platforms. Additionally, you can choose from 6 colors to enhance the visibility of the ratio markers. The T6 monitor also allows you to modify the markers to suit your personal style, making them a perfect fit for your creative process. With these marker features, you gain better control over your framing and subject positioning, ensuring each shot meets professional standards. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, the T6 monitor's features are designed to help you achieve more efficient and accurate shooting. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the image mode and its powerful features to help you further enhance your shooting experience. Don't forget to subscribe to the ANDYCINE YouTube channel for more professional tips and equipment guides.